Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video we're going to show you how to repair a sagging interior door. Okay, so if you have a door that rubs when you close it, typically on the vertical side, on the side where the knob is, I want you to go over to the hinge, the top hinge of the door, and remove the 3 screws that are holding the hinge to the jamb of the door. I want you to replace those with longer screws. The idea behind this is you're going to go through the jamb of the door, which is the wood that's actually holding the door in place, and we're going to try and use the longer screws to grab onto the framing that you don't see that's underneath that wood. Now, in a perfect world, you'd find screws that match the finish. In this case, I just have some screws I'm using here for demonstration. They need to be about 3 inches long, and you're going to go ahead and drive one of them into the center hole of the hinge, kind of angling a little bit towards the center of the jamb, because we want it to bite into the wood. And as you tighten that, you may actually feel the door kind of pull up a little bit, and once you get that screw nice and tight, the door shouldn't rub anymore. Now, you could replace the screws, all 3 of them, with the longer screws. If you want, though, you can put the shorter ones back in, because that one screw should hold it in place. This fix works most of the time, and it will help you correct that door so it doesn't rub any longer. Coming up next, my video on how to update a plain-looking interior door.